Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important problem from Module 5 Java. So the question is, explain autoboxing, unboxing in expression. So first we understand what is the meaning of autoboxing. Autoboxing, conversion of primitive data type into wrapper class object. It means automatic conversion of primitive data type into wrapper class object. This is nothing but autoboxing. Now this is an example. It means this int convert into integer. But in unboxing, automatic conversion of wrapper object into primitive type. Example, integer to int. This is the difference between the autoboxing and unboxing. Now we are looking for an example related to autoboxing or unboxing. So int a equals to 10. This is nothing but autoboxing, and int b equals to a. This is our unboxing. Now we have to looking for a code and understand each and every line of this code. So first one is public class autobox demo. What it means? Declare a class name as autobox demo. Public static void main string argument. What it's refer? Main method where program execution starts from here. Int a equals to 10 means 10 is a primitive integer value. Means 10 is a primitive int value. Java automatically convert it into integer object. This is called our autoboxing. Or we can say that primitive class converted into wrapper class. Now int b equals to a. A is an integer object. Java convert it back into int automatically. This is called our unboxing. It means wrapper class converted into primitive. Now int sum equals to a plus 5. It means before addition a is converted from integer to int. This addition happen when int sum equals to a plus 5. Before addition a is converted from integer to int, then addition happen. This is unboxing inside the expression. Now system.out.println value of a plus a. It means print value of wrapper class object a. Like that, for b, print primitive value of b, and for the expression, print result for expression. It means sum. So our output is value of a equals to 10. From this system.out.println, print this statement, and value of b equals to 10, print this statement, and after that sum, which is equals to 10 plus 5. It means a value is 10 from here and 5 is, so 10 plus 5 is 15. That's why our sum is 15. So like that you have to write in the examination to get the full marks. If you want this note, I will be provide this note on my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.